Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P04F0 indicates an issue with the evaporative emission (EVAP) system's purge flow. This diagnostic trouble code is activated when the powertrain control module (PCM) detects that all components related to the EVAP canister purge valve function normally, yet there is an abnormality within the EVAP system itself. The EVAP system is crucial as it captures fuel vapors from the fuel tank and routes them through the engine for combustion, preventing harmful emissions from being released into the atmosphere. When the PCM identifies discrepancies in the purge flow, it triggers the DTC to assist in diagnosing the issue. This problem is often linked to components like the EVAP canister purge valve, purge lines, and associated sensors. Diagnosing this code will involve inspecting these components using specialized diagnostic tools, such as the vacuum pump and pressure gauge, to ensure proper functionality of the EVAP system. The primary component affected by DTC P04F0 is the EVAP canister purge valve, located in the fuel emission control area. The EVAP canister purge valve regulates the flow of fuel vapors from the EVAP canister to the intake manifold. Other vital components include the EVAP canister purge line, which connects the EVAP canister to the purge valve, and various purge tubes, including tubes B and D, which facilitate vapor flow. The EVAP canister itself, typically situated near the fuel tank, stores fuel vapors until they are routed back to the engine for combustion. If the vapor flow is incorrect, it may lead to excessive emissions, affecting vehicle compliance with environmental standards. Identifying the root cause of this DTC requires careful inspection of all components, as well as their corresponding connections and operational functionality. The main triggers for DTC P04F0 could be a faulty EVAP canister purge valve, which may be stuck open or closed, preventing adequate vapor flow. This valve is tasked with regulating the amount of vapor returning to the engine. Blocked or damaged lines can also lead to incorrect purge flow. The line may be obstructed by debris or liquid, causing a backflow and leading to improper functioning of the whole EVAP system. Additionally, physical damage to the purge tubes, such as cracks or disconnection, can dramatically affect the system's operation. Each of these potential causes needs to be systematically evaluated to resolve the issue and restore normal functionality of the EVAP system. Symptoms associated with DTC P04F0 typically include the illumination of the check engine light, which is a direct alert from the PCM regarding an issue detected in the EVAP system. Drivers might experience diminished fuel economy as a result of the engine compensating for loss of vapor purge, which can lead to suboptimal combustion efficiency. Increased emissions can also result from improper routing of fuel vapors, contributing to harmful pollutants being released into the atmosphere. Other potential symptoms may include erratic engine performance, particularly during idle or acceleration, and possible failure during vehicle emission tests. Recognizing these signs early can be integral in maintaining the vehicle's performance and compliance with environmental regulations. The initial troubleshooting step involves turning the ignition switch to the on position without starting the engine. This allows the powertrain control module, PCM, to power up and initiate a systems check. Next, the technician should select the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and navigate to the function test to identify the status of the EVAP system. Conducting this test will provide immediate feedback on whether the EVAP system is operating within the specified parameters. Should the test results indicate a failure, it directs the technician to clone the failure condition for further examination. The commencement of this test is vital, as it offers valuable insights that guide further diagnostic efforts. In this step, The technician must inspect the evap canister purge valve, ensuring it is functioning correctly. Employing the vacuum pump and gauge is crucial here. Technicians should apply a specified pressure to see if the valve holds or leaks, checking for a stuck, open, or closed condition. Close inspection of the valve's operation and responsiveness is crucial, as it dictates how effectively fuel vapors are regulated. Any irregularities in this inspection can signify a faulty valve requiring replacement. This methodical evaluation provides clarity on the valve's performance status, enabling the technician to proceed with confidence. The next crucial step is the inspection of the evap canister purge line. Technicians should look for any signs of blockage, connection issues, or physical damage to the line itself. A visual inspection should suffice initially. However, utilizing diagnostic tools for vacuum testing can further yield insights regarding potential leaks or restrictions. This line serves as a primary conduit for the vapor flow. Thus, its integrity directly influences the overall functionality of the evap system. Detection of any faults or irregularities will help isolate the cause of the DTC and facilitate timely repairs or replacements, ensuring the continued efficiency of the evap system. In this step, Purge Tube B must be visually inspected for any obstructions, leaks, or physical damages that could hinder its operation. This tube connects the evap canister purge valve to the nozzle, and any defect could severely impact vapor flow. The inspection should encompass a thorough review of all connections, ensuring they are secure and free of debris. If any issues are found, the tube may need to be replaced. This procedure guarantees that the critical pathway for fuel vapor return is functional, thereby assisting in the resolution of the identified DTC. Following the inspection of Purge Tube B, the inspection of Purge Tube D is next on the list. Similar to the previous steps, this inspection focuses on identifying any potential blockages, damages, or connection issues that would disrupt its function. Purge Tube D links the evap canister purge nozzle to the intake air duct, and any faults could inhibit the smooth operation of the evap system. The technician should ensure that the tube is clear of any physical obstructions or signs of deterioration. Finding and correcting issues at this stage is vital for re-establishing optimal vapor flow, essential for maintaining vehicle emission standards. At this point, the technician should perform a thorough inspection of intercooler outlet pipe B. The main focus here is identifying any debris or clogs that could obstruct the vapor flow through this pipe. This port is crucial as it directly connects to the intake air system and can significantly impact engine performance if compromised. The inspection should ensure that the pipe is free from obstructions, which could hinder airflow or vapor circulation. Ensuring this component is clear of any debris is critical for the efficiency of the entire evap system, as it feeds vapor to the engine for combustion purposes. The next step involves inspecting the evap canister purge nozzle, another critical component in the vapor recovery system. The technician should check for any clogs or physical damage that could impair the nozzle's ability to effectively route fuel vapors into the intake system. This nozzle serves as the entry point for vapors into the engine, and even minor blockages can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. Ensuring it is free of contaminants and operational will help in confirming if this component is contributing to the DTC. A thorough cleaning or replacement may be required depending on the findings. In the final troubleshooting stage, if all previously inspected components have been confirmed to be functioning normally, attention shifts solely to the evap canister purge nozzle. The technician should conclude that if other inspections yield normal results, issues within this nozzle are likely the culprit for DTC P04F0. It is imperative to ensure that it operates correctly and responds appropriately to the system's demands. Replacement of the nozzle may be necessary if it's found to be faulty. Repairing or replacing the nozzle resolves the issue, thereby restoring proper functionality to the EVAP system. After all necessary repairs have been executed, the next step is to clear the DTC from the PCM using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This procedure resets the output and removes the trouble code from the vehicle's memory. Following this, it's crucial to perform a final function test to ensure that all systems are operating within the specified parameters. This reassessment should confirm that the EVAP system operates correctly and that the original problem has been resolved. By validating that the solution is effective, the technician guarantees that the vehicle is not only operating efficiently, but also compliant with necessary emissions regulations. To prevent recurrence of issues leading to DTC P04F0, regular maintenance and inspections are highly recommended. Technicians should routinely evaluate the EVAP system and its components, particularly focusing on the purge valves and lines. Regular monitoring for leaks is essential, as small issues can escalate rapidly if unnoticed. Keeping connections clean and secure is crucial to maintaining proper vapor flow and preventing blockages from developing. Consistent preventive measures will not only extend the longevity of the EVAP system, but also promote overall vehicle performance and emissions compliance. In summary, DTC P04F0 indicates a malfunction within the EVAP system related to incorrect purge flow. Systematic inspection and testing of components, such as the EVAP canister purge valve, purge lines, and nozzle, are essential for identifying the specific source of error. Each component of the EVAP system plays a critical role in managing fuel vapors, and understanding their function is vital to the troubleshooting process. After resolving the issue, implementing regular maintenance checks can aid in preventing future occurrences. Recognizing the importance of the EVAP system not only enhances vehicle performance, but also ensures compliance with environmental regulations, emphasizing the significance of proactive vehicle care. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.